Step 1 is to turn on your phone. Step 2 is to click on these ads, and step 3 is to make money, and that's all. So right now, I'd like you to look at all of these real payment proofs right here, and people from all over the world are making money online right on this website. Consider the following: $94, $25, $24, and $20. So let's take a look down below. As you can see, there are practically hundreds of people here. They can make money online by simply clicking on commercials. Here's an example of how much money they can make. By clicking on one ad, they can earn $1. So if you click on 10 advertisements, you can make $10. 20 ads, $20. And for 50 ads, you can earn $50. In today's video, all you need is a mobile phone or computer to participate. This method is completely free, requires no investment, and is available worldwide. So in a moment, I'll teach you how to sign up for a free account and show you some real-life instances of how to do it. And on top of that, I'll give you a number of special ideas that can help you double your money in comparison to other people. So make sure you watch this video all the way through so you don't miss any crucial stages. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So this right here is very important. In just a moment, I'll show you how you can click on ads just like these using a phone or computer, and you can make a lot of money online just like all these guys right here. $5 US, $10 US, and there are literally hundreds and hundreds of them right here on this website. They're making real money. So first of all, I want you to go out to the website right here, which is right in front of your screens. But don't worry, because I'm going to share with you the URL later on after I explain how cool this platform is. So basically right on this website, you get paid by simply clicking on ads using a phone or using a computer, which is very simple, and I'll show you another example right here on this video. As you can see here, the total payout is over $2.6 million already to a lot of members from different parts of the world, over about 1,300,000 members right now. Okay, so I want to show you how to sign up for a free account. You're just going to click on this button on top to register, and that's going to take you to this page. As you can see here on the registration page, you're just going to put in your full name, your date of birth, your username, your password, and put in your email address right here, which is very important. And when you scroll down below here, under payment account, you can put in all the details on where you want to receive your money. For example, if you want to receive your money in Payeer, Neteller, Skrill, RTM, Dash, or PayPal, as well as bank transfer, it is also available. You can set that once you log in to your account. Now, I want you to comment down below and let me know what your preferred payment method is in your country. Once you fill in all the details, you can just do this image verification. So in this case, which is this one over here, so once you're done, click on this right here to agree to the terms and conditions, and click on this register button. Simple as that. So right now, after that, you're going to be able to log in to your account on scarletclicks.info. So yes, scarlet-clicks.info is the URL of today's strategy. Now, you're able to find different ads that you can click on and actually be able to make money online on. So on the right section here, you can see that people are actually making money online. $1 over and over again by simply clicking on ads while you're on this platform. So right now, very important, this is actually a picture, but it contains a lot of small little boxes that you can see here. Now, for every single time, if I click on the small little box, that's going to take me to a random website, and you have to stay there for 30 seconds, and you're able to earn $1. So say for example, when I click on the next box right here, if I click on this box, That's gonna take me to another random website, as you can see right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Okay, now here's something that you need to keep in mind. On this website, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to click on anything, just stay on this website for 30 seconds and you can receive the $1. And the reason why I love these websites so much is that there are a lot of boxes in this one picture, and every single time I click on these boxes right here, I can actually make money online. So right at the bottom, you can see here the total number of boxes in just one picture. It says 20 by 28. And when we multiply it, there are a total of 560 boxes just from one picture. And every single time I click on the ads, I'm able to earn $1, which means from this picture alone, I'm able to earn $560. Now keep in mind that clicks are going to be set daily at midnight server time. After 12 AM, the boxes right here are going to refresh, and you can click on them once again and actually visit different websites. Stay there for 30 seconds and you can receive their money. Simple as that. The great thing about this is that once you finish one picture, you can go on to another picture right here. This is another photo, and there are a total of 560 boxes in just one photo, and you can click on them and be able to make money online. So here's a bonus tip that I want to give you. Sometimes on some random boxes that you clicked, you were able to actually unlock some video ads that you can see here. So if you go onto a video instead of a website, this is actually good news because you can earn double the amount of money where you can earn $3. So right here, as you can see, this is actually a video ad displayed on the video. I'm just gonna wait for the entire advertisement to run and be finished all the way until the end, and that's where you could earn $3, as simple as that. So for my personal experience, out of 560 boxes right here, only about 10 boxes are gonna go onto a video. As you can see here, where you can earn $3, meaning double the money, or otherwise, most of the boxes are gonna take you to a random website. Say for example, if you click on this box right here, that's gonna take me to this website, as you can see. Now, there's no video and you can only earn $1, and once again, you have to wait for 30 seconds. Another bonus tip is that when you visit a certain website, if they have banner ads, as you can see here, exactly a banner ad, when I click on that, you're able to go on to visit a special website. There are a total of 4 banner ads right here, where you can earn extra money whenever you click on it. So say for example, when I click on this banner ad, I'm gonna go on this page, and once again, don't do anything, okay? Don't click on anything yet. Don't sign up or anything, just stay there for 30 seconds and you're gonna receive your money. That's one thing I like about this website, is that they actually pay you extra bonus money if you're the best order of the month. So the more boxes and the more ads that you click right here on this website, the more money you'll earn, and on top of that, you're gonna receive bonus money every single month. So if you're watching right now, please like this video and comment down below and let me know if you're still watching, because I want to give you a final bonus step where you can earn extra money just by referring other people and inviting your friends, groups, or your family right here on this website. Okay, so you can actually receive extra money. For example, this person right here is able to refer some friends, and this person is able to earn an extra $24. So as you can see, a lot of people are able to make money by simply referring to other people, and whenever their friends make money, they're gonna earn some percentage from them. So right here, as you can see, a lot of people from different parts of the world, they're able to make money on this website. Now I want you to comment down below and let me know if your country's flag actually appears on the video, or otherwise just comment your country down below and let me know where you're coming from. As you can see here, there are just so many opportunities right here on this website, and people are making $10, $44, $53, or $10. There are just so many people right here making money clicking on ads, which is so simple that anyone can do this. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.